नहीं मेरा ठीक wait. I set it up. Maybe my Bluetooth is not on. या आपका शायद सही नहीं हो. रात के 12 बज रहे हैं.
Hold on. Why can't I hear you? Wait a second.
ऑन करें हम.
This is a
Yes,
struggle.
it was
This
from
will
my side.
get figured
My
out.
Bluetooth.
Wait.
Please. Oh,
Just so sick of moving between Teams and Zoom and Google. I just want to meet people in
I'm
real
just sick
life.
of everything. I'm sick of.
Can you hear
What
me?
the-
Like, give me a
Yes.
thumbs up if you can hear me. Awesome. So I'm the problem.
Okay, listen, I
Hold
know.
on.
So go on your
I
sound
shall unlink
and
the
वहाँ-
She
speaker
can't hear you. Stop giving
and
instructions.
Oh yes.
Hold on. Audio.
Listen, look at my mouth. I'll message her. Wait. Look what you need to do.
I will try. but
कान
it's
में
getting
लगा लो.
pixelated. So even your
Wait,
moo
wait.
is all over the place.
Wait, you can hear us now, but
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we could hear you all
yes,
this
yes,
time.
yes.
And me and Anita
I
go
have a
through
fancy
We
this.
could hear
mic.
you.
Oh, nice. Very fancy. Impressed
Yeah,
we
thank
are.
you.
I love it.
If you couldn't hear me after this
Yeah.
goddamn thing, I would have been like, hit it on my head. Acha, are we supposed to speak
इतने
English?
पैसे मैंने खर्च किए.
Exactly.
We speak
सर पे
both.
मारो आप।
हम पंजाबी भी
that's what I was
बोल.
thinking. How do I say ये मैं अपने सर पे मारूं कि अपने मुंह पे मारूं?
Hit on my head. Hit on.
I want to hit it on my head. This mic. I haven't seen
अच्छा,
you guys
listen, I don't know
together
if
in
I
about
should.
500 years. Yes, what's up?
Yeah, I don't think I should speak very loudly because I am in the basement. और यहाँ पे 12 This is how I'm going to talk. I don't know how I'm going to
Oh.
sustain this for the next like
No,
2
you're
hours.
not. You're not
पता
gonna
नहीं बाहर
talk.
आवाज जाती है कि नहीं जाती है. I don't
Yeah,
think
but
so.
that's the
I
thing.
think I
Like,
should
my
send
question
Bassam
is
and be
like,
like, देखो तो सही.
yeah, we can say hello to Bassam also. But the point is that if you speak at that decibel, does that mean we also have to maintain that decibel?
No.
I don't know,
Your
कैसे
what
लगेगा?
time is
Like
it?
half the two women are screaming and one is being like, oh.
The
I'm also
calm,
half.
gentle one.
So it's okay. You guys can.
sleepy, रात के
Oh, the
12
calm and
बजे.
gentle one. Oh my god. Struggle. That's my struggle of keeping my volumes really low.
I think you should give
नहीं
up.
पड़ती है इतनी छोटी. Yeah. मैंने कहा, listen, I am old now. I'm set in my ways. I cannot change. She's like, नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You have to change.
And the
I was
reality
like,
is, I
what
kind of like
the-
my ways. I'm finally coming to a point where I like my ways. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm okay
Exactly.
with it.
Too late now.
Yes.
We don't want to
यही मैं और
change.
तारा उस दिन यही
I know, right?
we don't I mean हमने बहुत कर लिया दूसरों के लिए ना. We changed a lot of time. No, we don't need to.
No, now I'm like
It's one of the
totally.
things.
Acha, so please, house rules. Can we swear? 'Cause
Yeah.
Somehow
Do whatever.
We
don't
do
give a-
everything. Yes.
I'm just like, now I don't
We
give
do
a fuck
everything.
about
We
anyone.
Exactly. We don't give a fuck. अच्छा देखें अगर आपके बच्चे सुन रहे हैं तो प्लीज उनको कहें चले जाएं. This is not for kids, okay? Because my child also gives me like a big like
I know.
beep. She's like, stop using the F word.
अच्छा दुनिया जहान की बकवास सारा दिन खुद करते हैं and the
Yes.
second that little one word comes out of your mouth they're like like
How
"जान
could
बस,
you?
बस कर दो, मुझे
And then I
माफ
have to
कर दो."
And then I have to explain to her. I'm sure you do it too. अच्छा बताना मुझे सारा ठीक है. So I have to like, listen. देखो, there's a way to use it. So if you are saying it to someone in a like you're like fuck you know, that's not right. But if you're just oh fuck, मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा है. Oh fuck, I have a headache. That's okay. But you
I don't quite
Yeah,
subscribe to this, right? I've generally had a rule saying, listen, right now you're developing your vocabulary, so you should use good words. But when you're like 18 and above, just use this word to describe whatever you want. But just wait
Make
till
your
you're
life
18.
easy.
Exactly.
Because it just makes life so easy.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Like there's so many different meanings to this simple 4-letter
No,
word.
and plus
I love
I
it.
didn't take my SATs, so I never did that whole vocabulary word list. So I use fuck as a lazy word to describe everything. Huh? I
Were
did
you
my
also a
metric.
metric student like me?
Absolutely. Yeah, so I did my metric. I was taught English by a teacher who used to call mistletoe, mistletoe. So like, पहुंच ही गए हैं जहाँ पहुंचना था. So I'm like, okay, fine. You know what? If I have to use fuck as a universal word, it's okay. It's okay. I've got to where I am in life by being this
You know what's the
mediocre.
other?
I'm okay.
Mistletoe. The other word that I really like that everybody says is measurement. I just love saying that. Measurement.
Measurement and
Measurement.
what? How?
Player,
Pleasure.
player that you
The
cannot
Yeah.
wear.
the pleasure.
But ठीक है, like now I come across people who I meet and they're like, oh, your English is so nice. And I keep trying to tell them, I say, listen, just because, like I sound a certain way doesn't mean it's my first language. So I am still severely limited in how I express myself in English. I don't have the words. So जब गुस्सा चढ़ता है तो everything is running in
Hmm.
Urdu, you know, and because I can't express
Yes.
it that way, so if I'm like really fighting with someone in English, मेरी आंखों से आंसू निकलने शुरू हो जाते हैं because I'm like, you know what, I want to
मेरे
go to
भी
Punjabi right now. Not
एक
even
तो
Urdu.
अंग्रेजी भी नहीं आती, मेरी अंग्रेजी नहीं
English
अच्छी,
खत्म
उर्दू
हो
नहीं
जाए.
अच्छी, पंजाबी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं आता.
सब
जो
अंग्रेजी.
वो
जबान
मुझे
आपको
लगता है जब
गाड़ी
मुद्दे
चलाते हुए लाहौर में आती है ना, वो आपकी असली जबान है, जो आपकी गंदी गंदी गालियां आपके दिमाग में आती है. That's
Oh
your
my
real
God.
language.
Tara Babe, the
Yeah,
fact
no one
that
should.
you drive and survive in Lahore is like, on the roads is like a tamga in its own self. तुम जो जबान बोलना चाहती हो बोल
Yeah,
लो.
अच्छा,
yeah,
तो
but
how was your day?
like
What do you do on the
driving
weekends, Sada?
in Lahore, I mean, अंदर से निकलती हैं गालियां ना, अंदर से निकलती
Anita's not over the swearing. She's like, "Dad, जाओ, मैं पहले गालियों की पूरी बातें कर लूं."
Moving on, Anita.
Moving on. Cue.
हैं. No, wait a second. No, I was on a delay. एक
Oh,
second,
sorry,
wait,
Bullshit.
sorry,
wait.
sorry.
Pause.
Oh,
अच्छा, अब क्या मैं सही हूँ? Now we're on the same.
I think we
अच्छा,
are.
चलो. क्या क्वेश्चन था, आप पूछें.
Oh shit. No, you're still on delay.
Am I?
Yeah.
Anita is in her tube light mode. Late
Should
पहुंच
I?
रही है.
Midnight.
It's midnight. It's 11. I woke up at 6:30 because we had to go to school for something, and I haven't slept in like 3 days. मुझे तो ये लग रहा है I'm like dying.
Anita, did you
अच्छा, चलो
ever imagine this
क्वेश्चन का.
life? Like, मुझे तो ये depression पड़ जाता है.
No.
And you, two things, right? So, you've been a dog mom all your life, and Anita, you're like, sending a kid to school, and these two things exist in my life. And the shit about Western life is कि आपके कुत्ते को आप वॉक नहीं कराओ तो उसकी पॉटी नहीं निकलेगी,
Yes.
और आप बच्चों को
Yes.
स्कूल नहीं छोड़ के आओ तो वो स्कूल नहीं
उनकी
जाएंगे.
पॉटी नहीं.
उनकी पॉटी निकल जाएगी. और अगर आपने खाना नहीं पकाया तो भूखे मर जाएंगे सारे. The buck stops at you. Can you imagine? Like, I never thought that this would be my life. So
Yes, I never thought that either, but वो तो अलग बात है. I think like 10 hours of venting for just that. I never thought my life would be this, but it is. क्या करें?
like, it's okay. I think our lives are pretty okay, but come on, you bitch when you're with friends, right? सारी भड़ास निकलती है उसी वक्त.
सब निकलती है.
It just never
अच्छा,
stops.
so
You
Tara
can't take a
was
day
asking.
off. You can't say, छुट्टी करते हैं from being a mom today. Or like, I
है
need a
ना?
weekend off from this. That can't happen for any of the mothers, mamas.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like, I just feel like all my children are so entitled. कि लग
Hmm.
पता गया.
But again, you guys have it much harder than mamas here. Khair, much harder than me for sure, because you have human babies and they go to school and they talk
सही कह रही हो.
and they
But like,
cry and
And
they
then you have to
love the
complain.
pretend
non-talky
to listen to
ones.
them.
Yeah, so but you guys have it hard because एक तो तुम लोग परदेश बैठे हुए हो जहाँ पे उस तरह का सपोर्ट सिस्टम भी नहीं है ना. मेरे नेबर्स मेरा ख्याल रख लेते हैं बच्चों का if I'm traveling or something, like I've created that support system here, which is very difficult for you guys, especially because you guys are moving also, na, from one country to another a lot. So, यार बस यार सॉरी गर्ल्स वापस आ जाओ मैं ये कहना चाह
No.
रही हूँ आ जाओ girls.
You know what?
अच्छा
मुझे
लिसन
तो यहाँ भी होता है. बोलो बोलो. ये लेट पहुंच, इसकी ट्रेन लेट पहुंच
No,
रही
you,
है.
I know. Can I? Okay, why don't I join in again?
ठीक, तब तक तुम्हें मैं बात करते हैं अपने फर बेबीज की.
हाँ हम अपने फर
Y-
बेबीज की बातें
Yeah,
करते
okay. So the one thing that I've realized now, and I've had like animals all my life, but having a pet versus having a fur child are like such
completely different experience.
very completely states of my different state of mind. Like you get them, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
They talk to you, they take, and I am just amazed at how in sync she is with how I'm feeling.
Yes,
She's
absolutely,
just so there.
100%, 100%. They get the energy instantly, and they're
है
on the
ना?
same wavelength. Yeah. अच्छा अब
I'm
तुमको
just
हमारी आवाज आ रही है एक ही उस पे टाइम
हाँ
पे या नहीं आ रही
Yes.
है?
हाँ भी इसका शेकअप भी कम हो रहा है, पहले जरा
हाँ
डिस्को टाइप
बेहतर
देख
हो
रही
गया है
थी.
I think I wasn't on the right
फ्रीक्वेंसी.
internet. नहीं, हाँ, frequency पे नहीं. Timeline, the different frequency is off too today. No, I think should be okay.
So what friends were
Yes.
you
Yeah, what were you guys
entertaining?
saying?
You don't have friends?
ये
Just
कौन
one
फ्रेंड?
friend. One
ये कौन है?
friend. एक तो
एक बन
ये
भी
do
गई है
you
तुम्हारी,
remember?
अभी 4 दिन हुए नहीं है तुम्हें पहुंचे हुए.
हाँ फ्रेंड्स
नहीं बनी
एंटरटेन
मेरी
कर रही
मेरी
है.
नहीं ये
हाँ.
पाकिस्तानी है यार. Masoon's sister Nafis.
ओ
She's
अच्छा.
also here. Remember I told you? So
Oh.
she's also here. Sadaf, I don't know if you know her. Do you
I
remember
know
Miss
the
Masoon?
names. I know the names. I just don't
Yeah.
know like
Bas theek hai, theek
I'm
hai.
yeah.
Anyway, so
I have.
so her sister has moved and she moved like a month before we did. So she's also here all alone. We're also here all alone. Also, she hadn't been to our house. So
Okay.
we wanted her to come and
हाँ.
admire our beautiful house.
Of course.
हाँ, तुम्हारे पास बेसमेंट है, मैं तो इसी बात से इम्प्रेस हो गई हूँ. इंग्लैंड में तो
Yes.
ऐसे आप खुडों में रहते हैं जिसकी कोई हाल नहीं. मुझे लगता है
Yeah,
जैसे
we
मैं
have a
जिंदगी में
basement.
आगे जाती जा रही हूँ ना, मैं मेरी जिंदगी की क्वालिटी गिरती जा रही
Listen, मुझे भी ये
मेरा
लग रहा
वक्त कब आएगा, मैं कब अमीर फील करूंगी लाइफ. हो ही
I
नहीं
was
रहा.
having this
Story of her life.
sorry, I was having this thought the other day. I was like, I think जो सब गरीब होता है वो हमेशा गरीब ही रहता है.
जो है ना, वो ज़हनियत है मेरे ख्याल में, मेरी सोच ही गरीब है. वो ना, मैं कई
मैं
दफा हंसती हूँ कि हमारे माँ बाप ने ना, लाइक जो उनकी जनरेशन थी सारी, लाइक द आइडिया ऑफ सक्सेस वाज गेटिंग अ ग्रेट जॉब, राइट? सो दैट्स द आइडिया ऑफ सक्सेस आई ग्रू अप विद. एंड अब मिल गए तो अब सारी जिंदगी नौकरी पेशा ही रहेंगे बस.
देखो मेरे पास तो नौकरी भी नहीं है. मेरा शौहर नौकरी कर रहा है. मैं तो बस बच्चा
देखो
पाल रही हूँ.
तुम
बच्चा
दोनों जो है ना
बच्चे भी नहीं
बिजनेस
बोले मैंने.
बिजनेस ओनर्स हो, समझ आई तुम दोनों को. तुम लोग बहुत
Yes,
एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हो.
yes, yes,
इन्वेस्टर्स भी हैं अब हम.
वाह जी
yes.
वाह.
अब हम सिल्वर प्राइसेस रोज डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं कि कितने ऊपर गए कितने नीचे विदाउट एनी
हाँ.
इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इट बट प्रिटेंडिंग लाइक ओ वी हैव सम इन्वेस्टमेents.
हाय.
आज गिरी है तारा. आज गिरी है जो मैं तुम्हें मैसेज किया था.
हाँ 70 पे
बस.
जाएगी तो तब हम खरीदेंगे. हाँ.
अच्छा, तो ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है अभी प्लान हो रही है इन्वेस्ट, तो
Exactly.
आपकी सोच इन्वेस्टर हो गई है.
First step to cross the barrier, okay, we need to be investors and we
हाँ,
need to
exactly.
diversify. We heard this word and we said we want this in our lives and we are going there, getting there.
Yes. और मैंने ये भी सुना कि स्टॉक्स में अपने पैसे लगाएं. सो आई हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड एक स्टॉक
वेरी
में.
गुड.
Because me and Anita were sick of thinking of ways how do we get rich by,
पैसिव
working.
इनकम बाय
हाँ.
डूइंग नथिंग.
So then we couldn't think of anything but this. Like, अच्छा फिर ये करके देख लेते हैं. If nothing else, then at least.
अच्छा, बाय द
Yeah,
वे ऑन अ
yeah.
सीरियस नोट, मैंने बहुत रिसर्च सुनी है कि खवातीन बड़े पैसे बनाती हैं, बहुत खेलती हैं स्टॉक मार्केट में,
Yeah.
like housewives especially. So and even in Pakistan, in fact, so that's like a big one where they buy stocks, and I'm not sure कि वो कितनी active traders होती हैं, but I remember at one point ये कोई stocks वाली app launch हो रही थी, बड़े सालों पहले की बात है, when we used to be at Mobilink, in fact, Anita, उस जमाने की. And the entire study that was कि basically they wanted to reach out to women at home who were already in the stock market, and apparently it's a large number of women. But I thought कि अगर भाई किसी को समझ आती है तो I'd be very very impressed.
So I follow this girl on Instagram, Mashal. She gives a lot of insight and advice on what to do with different stocks and stuff. तो वो कह रही थी that still in Pakistan, there are not a lot of people who invest in stocks. I think 2%. Is that what she said? I'll have to
Really?
check again.
हाँ,
Yes,
क्योंकि
there are not
हमारे
a lot.
सारे जमीन खरीदते हैं या सोना खरीदते हैं ना.
Yeah, that's how we
लैंड
invest, right?
बाइंग
We like
ज्यादा
अच्छा
करते
property.
हैं,
हाँ,
सबको
लैंड
प्लॉट
तक तो
खरीदना
खैर नहीं
होता है.
औकात पहुंचती नहीं औकात.
Up to it's like you can't even think about like buying anything. I think like 20 साल पहले हमारे माँ बापों ने खरीद ली.
हाँ,
And now we're like,
exactly.
अच्छा, what do we do now? There's like put
अब हम
30,000
joint
rupees.
family कर लेते हैं.
Yes. I think that's the best system, you know.
I know, right? Hello,
Should have
welcome.
asked me 10 years ago. But now, yeah, साथ रहना चाहिए.
बड़ी मुश्किल से
सब
आपने
बूढ़े.
पाल के निकाला था हमें, हम वापस आ रहे हैं अपने बच्चों समेत.
अनीता, जब तक हमारे स्टॉक से कोई पैसे आने शुरू होंगे हम तो जिंदा नहीं रहेंगे. चलो जोई जो है वो अयाशी कर लेगी, वो कहेगी कुछ तो छोड़
Because
के
that's
गए हैं मेरी माँ खाला मेरे लिए कुछ तो.
अच्छा, लेकिन क्या स्टॉक स्ट्रेटजी है तुम लोग डिविडेंड स्टॉक्स पे जा रहे हो, तुम लोग, आर यू प्लेइंग द मार्केट, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हियर?
nothing. I've just put it in mutual fund one, and then
That's not a
we'll do
bad start.
something.
That's again like
Yeah.
no advice intended for anyone
No,
listening.
please, हमें तो बता दो
हाँ,
ना.
please
हमें तो
बता
बता
दो.
दो.
नहीं,
If you do something,
नहीं,
tell
नहीं.
us.
नहीं, मैं किधर करती हूँ? ख्याली पलाव
Why
बना
aren't
रही हूँ. But मैंने सुना है कि funds are safer than single stocks because obviously they're less sort of vulnerable to market fluctuations. That.
So basically, single stocks में ये है that you kind of have to like pay attention. You have to like kind of look whether it's going up and down, and then you have to be on it all the time. So since we know how we are,
हम बैठ के स्पेकुलेशन नहीं देख रहे हैं रोज.
Not the keeping an eye on things type.
Yeah.
so we thought we'll start with mutual fund, and then maybe if
Very
we
good
see
idea.
some,
Brilliant.
yeah,
It's
मेरी
stock
तो
fund,
स्टोरी ये
not
कि मैंने अपनी
mutual
सेविंग्स
fund.
ना डाली
yeah,
एक बैंक में सिंगापुर
Mhm.
में, और उसके बाद
Nice.
कोविड हो गया और मार्केट्स क्रैश कर गए तो 38% डाउन हो गए.
Oh
Oh
my
no.
I was like,
lord.
मैं तो ना ही करूं. मुझे किसी ने एक जमाने में ना पाकिस्तान में बोला क्या लेते थे, कुछ कोई फंड खरीदते थे आप जिससे आपको टैक्स में रिलीफ मिल जाता था. What was that thing called? Anyway, वो कोई
Yeah.
बड़ा ही रोबस्ट किस्म का फंड था कि क्या था, फंड नहीं, ये जो आप कुछ खरीद, I don't even remember what was it.
Bond.
बॉन्ड या कुछ इस तरह की चीज कि आप वो खरीद लें तो आपको टैक्स रिलीफ मिल जाता है. और उसने मुझे पूरा एक ट्रेजेक्टरी दिखाई कि देखो पिछले 25 साल से ये ऊपर ही जा रहा है, और क्या जिस साल मैंने लिए तो वो नीचे चला गया.
Was it
25
what
साल
was
के
it? Was it
बाद.
Jubilee?
नहीं, बट को पता नहीं क्या
No, it
था.
was something
मुझे अभी
else.
याद आएगा. वो मेरा एक दोस्त है कोक में, एक तो सारे जो है ना मुझे उल्टे पुल्टे पटिया कोक से मिलते हैं, तो वो मेरा दोस्त है फरहान तैयब, अभी आए. तो उसने बहुत अच्छा इन्वेस्ट किया, बट मैंने उसका भी साथ डबो दिया ना, क्योंकि जिस साल मैंने लिए तो उसका भी डूब गया साथ. बेचारा क्या 25 साल से नहीं
yeah.
डूबा है.
So I think my sister also did something similar because I was having like अब जब मैं कर रही हूँ ना एक हफ्ता हुआ है मुझे, but like सब कर ले इसमें, right? Why not? So I was also talking to her. So she did something similar, and she also lost a lot of money, but then she took it like she was looking at it every year. Well, actually every month and then every year. And then after 3 years, she's like, oh, why is that I haven't profited from it? And then I was like, well, you have to wait for a long time for this to see the profit. एक साल दो साल में तो नहीं होता.
और मुसल्ले पे बैठ जाओ, चलो अब नफल पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. मेरी तो ना ऐसी स्टोरी है कि हर कोई ना, मैं सुनती हूँ लोगों की कहानियां, पैसे बन रहा है. मैंने बिटकॉइन खरीदा टोटल 35 पाउंड्स के. उसमें से भी -6 पाउंड में चल रहा है अभी.
No way, when did you buy it?
यार पता है, वो मेरे ना एक बैंक में एक चीज है कि जो खुला चेंज होता है ना 2-3 पीस 4 पी, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उससे खरीदता रहता है रियल टाइम.
Oh.
तो वो भी टोटल 35 पाउंड पहुंचे, तो उसमें भी -6 है अभी.
Oh. It has
मैंने
gone
ये
down.
रियलाइज किया है, मेरी ना एक फ्रेंड है जिसका यू नो लाइक शी इज अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, और उसका मियाँ और मेरे मियाँ नहीं, मेरा मियाँ नहीं, मेरी और उसके मियाँ की बर्थडे जो है पता नहीं क्या, हम दोनों ने बिल्कुल साथ साथ है, तो वो कहती है तुम दोनों बहन भाइयों की ना किस्मत बिल्कुल एक जैसी है।
Yeah.
अल्लाह मैंने सब कुछ देना है, लेकिन पूरी पूरी मेहनत करा के देना है। ऐसे नहीं देना कि यहाँ से स्टॉक खरीदा और वो चढ़ गया, बिटकॉइन लिया और वो चढ़ गया। ये पता नहीं कौन से लोग होते हैं। मेरे लिए क्या है, पूरे जाओ
I
9 to
know.
5 काम करो, वीकेंड पे काम करो, 5 to 7
Yes.
काम करो, फिर उसके बाद सब कुछ मिल जाएगा।
Because some people are made to be in the office. तो मुझे लगता है कि हम तो
Like
है ही वो।
Basam, like
नौकरी
you.
मिल जाए, नौकरी मिल
Maybe,
जाए
maybe.
तो।
I feel me too, but हो ही नहीं रहा। मुझे कोई ऑफिस बुला ही नहीं रहा। मुझे जाना है। I wanna go to the office.
हाँ,
Hello,
ये ना
hire me.
ये वो वाली स्टोरी मुझे लग रही है। मेरे आगा जानते हैं ना, तो वो जोक सुनाते होते थे कि एक बंदा था, तो वो रोज अल्लाह से गिला करता था कि आपने मेरी लॉटरी नहीं निकाली, मैं इतनी दुआ करता हूँ, मैं लॉटरी नहीं निकाली, लॉटरी। बेचारा सारी जिंदगी जो है ना, वो इस तरह गिला करते करते मर जाता है। तो अल्लाह के पास जाते हैं और कहते हैं कि मैंने आपसे गिला किया सारी जिंदगी, आपने मेरी लॉटरी नहीं निकाली। तो कहते हैं लुधिया पटिया टिकट तो ले लेना सी।
हाँ
तो
देखो, हम टिकट ले रहे हैं, वी आर बाइंग द टिकट। अभी
there
अगर
you
ना
go, the
हो तो ये
starting
अल्लाह मियाँ
point
का
is
मसला है, हमारा नहीं है।
buy
अल्लाह
the
मियाँ,
ticket.
अल्लाह मियाँ, we have bought the ticket. आप देख लें, ये रही रसीद. Okay, now make it happen.
Yes, you have taken the first step, and now you wait for the universe to open the gates.
मगर अगर कोई सुन रहा है an advisor, तो देखिए we need some
We
advice
need
on
advice.
what to do with our money.
इस वाले एपिसोड का नाम रखते 3 lost women.
तो आप देख लें कि
ग्वाची
Trying to
we
invest
have
and
no
get
idea
ग्वाची का मुझे लग
how
रहा है
to
हम
not
दोनों हम
get rich. ये होना चाहिए
हम
नाम.
तीनों एक दूसरे के ही फैंस हैं। पता नहीं जो सुन रहा होगा वो कहता होगा
Yes.
यार ये क्या मिल गया। ऐसे जैसे पुराने जमाने में आपको क्रॉस लाइन मिल जाती थी ना, लोग फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं और आपकी लाइन बीच में मिल जाती थी। तो ये पॉडकास्ट के एपिसोड सुनते हैं आप कहेंगे लग रहा है किसी का फोन मिल गया है, आपस में ही लगी हुई है।
This is what it is. But I have a success story also. मैंने बिटकॉइन खरीदा था $1,000 का, जब वो 60,000 पे था, और फिर वो $1,20,000 पे चला गया। तो आई एम लाइक ग्रेट, 1 से 2 हो गया है, बड़ी अचीवमेंट है मेरी जिंदगी की। और पिछले हफ्ते वो 80 पे चला गया फिर से। like,
चलो फिर भी पॉजिटिव पे है।
हाँ,
Yeah.
कि अब वो
That's all that
1,000
matters.
से कोई $1,200 हो गए हैं कोई 6 साल के बाद। ये कौन सी पॉजिटिविटी है?
देखिए रखो,
ये देखो
keep
तुम
it.
डॉलर
That's
पे
what
कमा
everybody
रही
says.
हो जहां पे
Yes.
पीकेआर डूबी जा रहा है, तो ये भी बहुत
Yes.
बड़ी बात है। तुम पीकेआर
वो तो
मेरे पास
डॉलर पे
$1,200
गिर
है
गया था,
सेफ।
अभी डॉलर पे गिर गया.
आई
बस
मिस्ड
यही
यू
है.
गाइस सो
लड़कियों, आधा घंटा हमने गुजार लिया है, प्लीज।
Yes.
कोई काम की बात
It
कर
is.
लो खुदा का वास्ते।
बस this is what we
हाँ,
do.
yes.
चले
अब
शुरू
हम
करें फिर
सारे
हम.
बड़े काम की बातें करेंगे, देखना।
सब
अब
चले
जो हमारी
सीरियस हो जाएं हम.
जो 30 मिनट से शुरू करेगा ना, बस उसकी तो जिंदगी बदलनी है।
ऑल राइट।
हाँ जी, सवाल पूछे साहब, मेरे से सवाल पूछे आप बहुत सारे।
हेलो सदव, हाय अनीता।
हेलो तारा, हेलो सदब. हम तो अभी अभी मिले हैं, हम तो आधे घंटे से बिल्कुल
बात
बात नहीं
बिल्कुल
कर
बात
रहे.
नहीं कर रहे थे, और
हम
तीनों
बाल
वी आर
खोल लें even though no one can see.
नहीं, सी की तो
कोई
बात ही
हमें
नहीं है, वो बाल खुलते हैं तो थोड़ा मूड ही सही हो जाता है एकदम से।
exactly. And I've also turned on my beauty filter today. I've decided
अच्छा, मुझे
that I am not. Yeah, you can turn it on.
नहीं, मैं तो
So
आई फुली सब्सक्राइब टू दिस। हर चीज नजर आ रही है सवाई ब्यूटी कंपेनियन के। अच्छा ठहरो। हाँ, छोड़ो परे, तुम लोग ही हो, आगे चलो। वीडियो ना लगाना,
हाँ, कोई नहीं
मेरी
देख
भी
रहा है
इज्जत है
हमें।
इस दुनिया में। हाँ
so
जी।
welcome to भाई शुरू
Welcome
करते
to Call Me When You
Welcome.
Land.
So we have with us Tahira, and then we have with us Sadav.
Hello.
And I am Anita. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello, hello.
Hello,
It's
ladies.
been so long. I don't. Well, Tara and I have been chatting for a while. But the reason why we started this was because we weren't really doing this on a regular basis. We're like, chalo, let's do it. So फिर हमने सोचा, you know what? Let's call other friends as well and then see कि क्या हो रहा है उनकी जिंदगी में. So catch up session is now on.
Yay.
Sadaf,
Good to
tell
see you
us,
guys again.
क्या
Tell
हो
you
रहा
what,
है?
my darling.
आपकी जिंदगी में
Yaar,
क्या हो रहा है?
lagi hui hai is
Mm.
the highlight, but like in a good way, right? So I think adulting has reached prime now. And the paradox of adulting has completely kicked in. So you know, like when you're young and you're kind of idolizing कि बड़े होके हमने कितनी जल्दी पढ़ी होती है, मौत पड़ी होती है बड़े होने की. And then you come to a point where you realize, you know, like it's not all that glossy, but I think I've officially crossed that line now. So as I'm nearing 50, so I'm
Yay!
Yes.
Woohoo!
I think that realization is finally sunk in, that the adulting is finally getting to be fun again, right? Like I feel like I'm living on my own terms. I know who I am. We were just discussing how much more comfortable we are in our skins, and I think it's a lot about, you know, looking inside than outside. And as fluffy as that sounds, it's true, right? Like you stop giving a fuck about other people. So you and you kind of realize who you want to show up for, who you want to be there for, what kind of person you want to be. So I think it's just a very, very different stage in life, and I'm loving it. Can you hear my dog snoring in the background by any chance? By the way?
If I can't, but even if we are, it's all right. We
Okay, it's
accept.
fine.
I
She's
thought
like
it
a
was
regular
Ali, but
feature in my
chalo.
life. She will
You
not
thought it
go
was
out.
Ali.
While I am chatting away with you guys, my husband would be
Ali that
sleeping and snoring away. No, it is my dog. And Tahira and I were just discussing how fur babies tend to be the most sort of in sync with your energy and your emotions and everything. So मुझे तो खैर fur baby भी नहीं लगती. I think she's my spirit animal. So like, you know, you go
Yeah.
to the toilet, she's behind you, you sit down, she's behind you, but she will just not leave me alone. And this is the wager I have to do. So she's either sitting with me and sleeping and snoring, or she's outside the door and scratching at the door to let her
Yeah.
in, and that is less noise.
Yeah.
So I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है यार, मेरी जिंदगी का साउंड ट्रैक एक नन्हा सा कुत्ता खराटे ले रहा है.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We promised our little one that we're gonna get a dog. So this year is
There,
going to
now.
Live.
happen.
All
Yes,
live.
yes, yes.
Not
I
happening.
know. Is Zoe listening to this? But I hope that you change your mind. But let's see.
I hope you become a goldfish person.
but we've been we've promised her ages ago, and then we couldn't because we didn't know where we would be. So we're like, "Acha, ruko, let us move somewhere
Yes.
and know where we're going, and then we can
No.
decide." So now that we're here and we're here for a little bit, so we can manage,
Nahi, and a pet takes a lot of focus and energy.
right?
In all honesty, the world is still designed for you to have kids.
Mm-hmm.
For parents, I think, have it the toughest. Like the world is still not optimized for pets. So like now Glitter's moved 3 countries with us. You know, like it was easier moving her from Singapore to here, but from taking her to Pakistan to Singapore and then seeing her in quarantine for 30 days. Rose, hum log, you know, we would sit in a bus and go and say, it's just, you know, when you love something so much, you don't want to see it in that much agony, because she was just so scared for those 30 days in a quarantine with random dogs around, and she wouldn't have us. So we had to leave our shirts there so she could smell us. It was very dramatic.
Did it
Sorry?
change her in some way or not? Because I've heard some dogs do
But
change
some things
after
Yes.
quarantine.
dogs change.
Because
This
it
dog.
happened to their dog.
Yeah.
I don't know when it was, but one of the dogs like completely lost it because he was in the quarantine for so long.
No, so in her case, like we had never heard her bark till she was in quarantine, and when she came out, she was barking, and she was just generally traumatized. So she would really want to be close to you. She would constantly feel kept, if you've left, that means you're going to leave her. So it
Oh,
really took her a very long time to like sort of come back to normal. Yeah, and you could tell that it was just a very traumatic experience because they don't get the sense of 30 days, right? Like, this dogs have no sense of time. Everything is smell for
for them
them.
it's
So
forever. 30 days is like years and
exactly. So
years.
they're
Yeah.
like, they feel like they've been left. So,
Yeah.
so we would take turns, and the quarantine was on the other side of Singapore, and we didn't have a car. So we would sit in a bus, dead ghanta jana, every second day, every day we would go see her just so she knew that we were still there. But she's like, for all practical purposes, our middle child, a very entitled middle child, might I add. But, but yes, she is.
Hmm.
So yeah, I mean, life's good. Life's generally good. Touch wood.
Yeah.
It's
So mostly me and Anita, and the reason we started this was also because we wanted to talk about being Asian women and how much we lack their voices in the podcast or the media that we consume. We don't see, like, mostly Asian women content we see is lifestyle, celebrity interviews, stuff like that, like
yes, kapde.
kapade or cooking shows, like going to
Yeah,
someone's house and cooking. But we wanted
yeah,
to do something that was beyond, and also talk about our experiences of being Asian brown women and being in the, like, out in the world, traveling, living,
yeah,
working. And how is
yeah,
that working for you, living in England as an Asian
yes.
woman, working in a multinational corporate company? Do you guys still have a Asian mayor or no? Is he still there?
Yes, we do. We do.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that's interesting because we do have a loud, like when we landed in the UK, we had an Indian prime minister, a prime minister of Indian origin,
Yeah.
and a mayor of Pakistani origin. So, so we always joke the empire strikes back.
Yeah.
But the thing is that, it's been such a journey for me personally, and frankly, if I may confess, a very uncomfortable one, because as amazing as being home in Pakistan and growing up there is, and I wouldn't swap it for anything, I came out realizing that I knew so little because we're so closed as a society. The diversity, we choke the diversity out of our sort of culture, our society. I realized I had no idea how to speak to people of other religions, other ethnicities, other cultures. And you have an idea, you think you do, but you really don't. And like, you learn by, like, there are little topics that you're like, oh, can I talk about religion? If I can talk about religion, how do I talk about it? Do I
Yeah.
wish them? Do I not wish them? And your sort of perspective on everything is so outside in, right? Like, you don't get it because you haven't grown up with it.
Yeah.
So, so it was a huge learning curve. And what hit me the most is the difference between a big fish in a small pond versus being
Hmm.
in a small fish in a very, very big pond.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, that
Yeah.
that I felt
Pakistan.
was just, it just shakes you up. It shakes up your sense of identity. Who am I? What am I? Nobody cares, right? Like, nobody cares who your mummy daddy are, where you live, where your house is. Like, nobody cares. So all the
Yeah.
things that we usually draw our identity from, being in Pakistan, my family, who my friends are, who I meet, what I do,
Yeah.
nobody cares. Like, frankly, nobody even cares where you work, right? So
Yeah.
in Pakistan, we draw such a big sense of identity from, oh, I work here and I do this and everything. Like, nobody cares. And suddenly you find yourself in this big world, almost being forced to introspect, right? Okay, main hu kaun? Because you've always sort of drawn your identity from external things. And when you
Yeah.
take those external things away, it almost
You're
forces you
forced
to think
to.
about who
Yeah.
you are.
Hmm.
Growing up in Pakistan, you is never the focus, right? Like, you
No.
never, who
No.
you are, what you think of
Yes.
yourself, what your point of view. There is no you. It's everything
No.
is collective. So I thought that was massive. That really shook me up, if I can be honest.
So how did you deal with that? Because I mean, you've lived outside
Yeah,
of Pakistan
yeah.
when you went for your masters, right?
Yes, yes.
So you have that. But then when you were in college, it's a little different
It's
when
very
you're
different.
living.
It's very different. You're still
So
kind of
yeah,
becoming who you are, right?
yeah. So the first time you moved was when you went to Singapore. So
Yes, I
how
mean
was it?
proper
So
moved,
that's
right?
when
Like
and also it was COVID time. So like it was a completely
exactly.
different one. And you had a lot of time with yourself to
Yes,
think about these things. And then you were
yeah.
interacting with people from different places. And you're like, okay, who is Sadaf? Is that
You
was the
know,
first time you were experiencing that?
yes, exactly. Because
Mm.
in all honesty, I think my checklist of success was what I thought success looked like by virtue of what I had been told or what I had seen. And T, by the way, that's the time that I have to give a nod to you, because I remember she was there. So Tahira has had this way of showing up in my life at times when I somehow need it. And she would just randomly send a message or something. And it's one of those things that I remember so fondly. Like, in fact, even before I left, Tyra, you gave me that gratitude notebook to write one thing a day. And I still have that, by the way. I don't use that one. I have another one, but I have that, the one that you gave me. And it's just, honestly, first you panic. Without doubt, the first thing is you panic. You're like, and Anita, you would have gone through this, right? Like, you left your job, you left your, frankly, you had made a brilliant career. You had established your own identity, you had your own friends, and then you go there and the first reaction is panic because you want to
Yeah.
hold on to that. So you're like, no, no,
Yeah.
no, but that's what success looks like. And it still does for people back home. But when you realize that back is not your entire universe anymore, it sort of slowly melts out. So you stop caring. So, like, it is still a dimension of success for you, but it's not the only dimension of success for you, right? So I mean,
Yeah.
a part of you will always want that. Like, when I was in Pakistan, I had followers, and Tyra, we were just discussing about it, right? Kapade, events, celebrities,
Yes,
and everything.
yes.
And the reality is, some of that amazing group of people that I got to interact with as a part of that life became my friends. And a lot of
Yeah.
them didn't. And interestingly, I think initially I panicked. I was like, oh, I have to be in touch with everyone. I have to know everyone.
Mm.
I'm losing contacts. But then that idea of saying, okay, you know what? That chapter
Mhm.
of my life is over. And there is a lot of things that I will say goodbye to with that. We had to redefine. One of the biggest obstacles was that जब आपके लिए वो societal idea of success remove हो जाता है, तो in a way it's also very liberating, but at the same time it's also a huge responsibility, because that's really the first time when you become responsible for your own happiness, which means you have to figure out what makes you happy, because everything that you've known makes you happy is this idea that's been given to you. So I think that's been one of my biggest journeys. It still is continuing because जो 40 साल में आपने सीखा होता है वो, it's not like suddenly आपको opportunity मिले तो आप एक नया idea of success define कर लेते हैं. So I think जो चीज़ आपने 40 साल में सीखी होती है, पहले एक unlearning का phase होता है, फिर उसके बाद I think where I am is probably the relearning phase, right? And I think the realities are very similar for all of us.
Mine is in the unlearning phase. Unlearning and relearning. I don't want to go to the relearning part. I'm still unlearning.
मुश्किल है, हाँ? Nobody really
बहुत
talks
मुश्किल
about
है.
it.
Nobody talks about it. And coming to how things are different when you're moving, like how you moved, and things were different. How I moved, it was like a completely different thing for me. I was
You have no
like,
idea what you're getting into.
no, you don't know. You don't know unless you're like in it. But I mean, you can prepare as much as you want to, but
हाँ.
you
मुझे
don't know
लगता है
until
theory और
you're.
practice में बहुत फर्क है. Like theoretically you have this checklist,
Yes,
you have this idea कि अच्छा
yes,
यहाँ जाएंगे और ऐसा होगा और ऐसा होता है. It's not that it's not true, but there's just so much more to it that people
yeah.
never really talk about. And in, I think, my case as well as your case, it kind of hit us, right? Like something that we had to go through. But we were talking about how, T, I'm looking at you here, I'm coming back to you. We were
Yes.
talking about how Anita and I had this journey kind of thrust upon us, right? But you've been through these, you've made choices, and I have so much love and so much admiration for your journey. Now, like we were just talking about it, right? We've known each other now for 20 years.
That's a
That is a
long
very
time.
long
Yes.
time. We've known each other for 20 years and we still are friends. That is a
Yes.
great Bravo.
Bravo. Yeah,
Bravo.
even with all the time difference challenges, it sucks, man. I hate it that I have to look at my clock before calling anyone. कि कितने घंटे आगे और कितने घंटे
अनीता का क्या
पीछे
रात
है.
के 1 बज रहे हैं, सवा 1 बज रहा है रात के.
Nice.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
Anita,
It's okay.
for
Tomorrow,
staying up.
you're welcome. You're welcome. It's like one, it's fine. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'll wake up a little late.
Sunday, thank God.
How late? Ugh, I have to do something with
I love
Bowie
having
again
Sundays
tomorrow.
with nothing to do except poche, jharu, khana, pakana, bachcho
Oh
ko
yes,
nilana,
I have
muँह
to do that
निकालना,
too.
whatever. But I love these Sundays. I have nothing to do.
My everyday is that, so no. But I love Saturdays and Sundays because then Basam takes over. So I love my weekends too.
Yeah, I mean, so it's been a bit of a journey. It's still going on. I think that's really been the toughest part, just trying to figure out what success looks like. Because सबसे पहली बात ये कि आपको success को reframe करना पड़ता है, and everything becomes more internal. Like you're accountable for yourself. You're answerable to yourself. Because then there's no one else that you're trying to impress except
Yeah. So
Yeah,
have you
yeah.
figured it out? Are you looking into it, or you're just
no,
going
not
with the
even
nahi, na?
close. Not even
Yeah.
close.
I
And
was like,
I
हाँ
mean,
मैंने कर लिया. I was hoping for that answer. I was like, yes. Now I'm like, Sadaf is
मैं
going to tell
आपको
me some
बताती हूँ
हमें भी
pointers and
बताओ.
we'll
figure
figure
out
it out.
कैसे. No, not even close, Anita, but you guys know this, right? Like, think that, interestingly, I was just thinking that there's obviously a subconscious part of it that just happens, and then there's a conscious part of it. When you realize you're in this transition, and when you realize कि अच्छा अब बदलने का time आ गया है, so you also start letting go of things, of people, of habits, etc. So I think that that's kind of where I'm in terms of my life stage as metamorphosis, right? Like not everyone who was in my life is continuing on, not everything I used to do is continuing on, and that's okay. I think I'm at peace now. I've had my emotions, so hanging on and being angry and resisting and being sad about it and everything, and then now I'm just excited for what's coming up, what life's going to look like.
Yeah, I think most of our choices once you turn 40 are like, how do I preserve my peace? No matter what is
Yep.
happening in the world, the chaos that we live in, but how do I just save myself from going mad? I just need to protect this and stay sane, even with whatever we are thrown into. But I want to tell you girls, going to the topic that we want to talk about, a few years ago, I went to see a gynecologist. I'm someone who runs away from doctors. I do not like doctors. I do not like Damaiya. I don't like anything about them. So I had to go and see a gynecologist because my periods were not stopping and I was bleeding and I was just feeling weak. This woman just was my worst nightmare. They were my doctor के मेरे fear थे ना, and she's like, are you married? एक तो at the desk when you are at the hospital, she's like name, लिख लिया husband name. I said you can write my father name, and she's like नहीं तो husband के नहीं है आपके, and I'm in a room full of pregnant women, by the way, who were sitting there holding their husband's hands, and they all looked at me like, इसका मियाँ नहीं है.
और ये gynecologist के पास
ये
आई है कुछ और
gynecologist
चल रहा.
But that
so
is such a
Exactly.
thing. Like you can only see a gynecologist if you're married.
Right, ridiculous. So she said, अच्छा वालिद का profession क्या है? I'm like, आप मेरा profession
The
पूछे.
actual
I'm like, मैं पैसे दे रही हूँ, मैं वालिद के साथ तो वो तो मर चुके हैं, तो वो तो नहीं दे रहे. So you should ask me why. अच्छा अब now I'm like, this is the first step to meeting the gynecologist, और यहीं से मेरी
College.
शुरू हो चुकी है
Yes.
लड़ाई. अब मेरा temper है. I'm like, control. She's like, अच्छा नहीं आपका profession देखे form पे लिखा ही नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे पूछूँ ना आपका. So I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है. खैर I went through this. Wait किया मैं gynecologist के अंदर पास पहुंची. So I said, listen, I'm reaching a certain age, so maybe I need to take some medicine or something. So I needed to see some gynecologist. Married है? मैंने कहा नहीं. So ab now she couldn't ask me if I'm sexually active or not, right?
Because obviously ताला लग गया
Yes.
है
So तुम
और
मुझसे वो
चाबी उनको
पूछ
दे दी, वो अपने साथ ले गए
So अच्छा वो बार बार ना कुछ ऐसे घुमा के सवाल पूछ रही है, trying to get to that. So I said, डॉक्टर साहब आप मुझसे ये पूछना चाह रही हैं कि if I'm sexually active or not. She's like हाँ फिर वही बता दे. So what the fuck is she fucking thinking? So then she's like अच्छा मैंने वो I need to check. और वो I went through the uncomfortable process of her checking,
Yes.
examining
Yes.
me, and then she's like everything looks fine and you do these 20 tests, but doctor hone ke alawa I want to tell you that I think you can still have kids and you should get married and have kids. I was like डॉक्टर साहब अब मैं आपसे मशवरा तो नहीं लेने आई थी तो एंड शी इज लाइक देखो मैं भी तो डॉक्टर हूँ और मेरे बच्चे हैं और मैं काम भी करती हूँ जहाँ आप ससुराल वालों की भी बातें थोड़ी बहुत सुननी पड़ लाइक एनीवे सो इट वाज माय वर्स्ट नाइटमेयर एंड आई
My
केम आउट विद नो
goodness.
डायग्नोसिस एंड जस्ट
Don't you sometimes feel that हमारे patriarchal society में women drive patriarchy far more than men do? Like I feel like over generations, women have just been taught to be a certain way, and they're so aligned with those roles sometimes that they're just, they're the ones who are pushing this narrative more, even subconsciously. I don't think कोई आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव कि कोई औरत किसी और औरत को कॉन्शियसली नहीं तबाह करना चाहती
yeah
होगी
yeah yeah
लेकिन
But
इतना ज्यादा
yeah.
इंटरनलाइज मिसोजिनी, इंटरनलाइज पेट्रियार्की है कि
Yeah.
आप उसके दूर देख ही नहीं सकते. लाइक यू जस्ट लाइक ये आपका रोल है, इसी के अंदर आपको रहना है और इससे आगे आप नहीं जा सकते कहीं भी.
so yeah so even
That's like you said, like generational है वो निकल ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं
This
निकल
is
रहा
what
है
they've
हमारे
seen for
से
like God, ये नहीं निकल रहा. और अगर हमारे जैसे लोग even if we like talking about it, then हमें भी सुननी पड़ती
अभी
है.
तो गालियां
ये
गालियां पड़ेगी,
देखें
अगर किसी ने सुन लिया ना ये तो
these
पड़ेगी गालियां.
these yeah feminists, ये देखिए
हाँ
खराब कर रही है औरतों को.
खराब कर
So
रही
now
है.
I'm
No.
reading about and I'm listening to you like you can actually get estrogen therapy, hormonal therapy once
Yes,
you hit
exactly.
perimenopause. And I'm thinking in my head like how do I go to a
No, but
So
doctor?
that's the thing.
हाँ.
so you know how you went to somebody in Pakistan, right? I
Yeah.
went to somebody in China.
Same society though.
Similar situation. What happened? Tell me.
And I went because I was trying everything and I was not losing weight. Like I was eating well, I was dieting. I was even
Yeah.
dieting. I was exercising. I was exercising 6 times a week. Like
Exactly.
2 घंटे 3 घंटे, but हो ही नहीं रहा मेरा कम.
हाँ.
And not feeling right about my body. And I can see, ऐसे होता है. You just go in the bathroom, look in the mirror, and you're like, wait a second, this is not how my body looked like yesterday. What happened? It's a sudden thing. And you're
Yeah.
like, I feel different. It looks different. So what is it? So anyway, so I go to the doctors because I had heard. And in China, I mean, some of my friends, we openly talk about this as well. So they're like, oh, जाके check करा लो. So I was like, okay, let's go. So उसने मेरे किए, मेरे hormones सब सही निकल गए. But it's not just that, right? Okay, fine, I'm not going through menopause, but उम्र तो आ गई है, तो प्री तो हो सकता है. So I asked her, I was like, listen, is this not a perimenopause? She's like, no. She like completely ignored all the symptoms I had. I couldn't sleep, all
You
the
just
like.
got gaslit on your own perimenopause. Like नहीं तुम्हें नहीं पता
नहीं है
तुम्हारी बॉडी के
आपको,
साथ क्या हो रहा है,
आपके
मुझे
अभी
पता
भी
है.
बच्चे हो सकते हैं because like my periods are still regular. So like नहीं अभी भी हो सकते हैं आपके. I was like, I don't want to get now. I'm happy with
वो
one.
भी सही
But I'm
आंटियों वाले मशवरे दिए उसने कि बच्चे हो सकते हैं आपके.
yes, and I'm
Exactly.
like, no, that's not why I'm here for. Like I was like, give me
No, but I
some
just feel like there's
solutions.
such a dearth of general conversation. ये मैंने चीजें जिंदगी में realize की है हर stage के साथ. सबसे पहले Tyra, the way you mentioned, this equation of you have to be married to go to a gynecologist means that you don't have fundamental information about your own reproductive system, etc., that you could ever have. Then, I mean, and by the way, I can very openly confess this, कि I did not know enough about my own reproductive system till
Yeah.
my second kid. Because the first one to ho gayi na, दूसरी वाली was a bit of a struggle. So, I didn't know how the cycles worked. I didn't know when I was ovulating, like that bit. And I was 40. Like, it is
Mm.
information that was never considered necessary by any of my gynecologists or anyone to give to me, क्योंकि obviously बच्चे तो अल्लाह की देन होते हैं, तो होने होते तो हो जाते हैं. तो
हो भी जाते हैं, पल भी जाते हैं, सब कुछ हो जाता है. Just do
हाँ
it.
एग्जैक्ट सब कुछ हो
That's
जाता
what
है,
they
just
say.
बस कर लो. तो
Yeah.
again, so it was just one of those things that I had no reproductive knowledge going. I
Mhm.
had no sexual knowledge going into my marriage. I had no reproductive knowledge having my kids. And now that I am perimenopausal, nobody ever spoke
No.
about it. Like, I am so begrudged about, like, I have a
Mhm.
lot of admiration for the women around me, like more senior managers who are hacking this. But as we were saying, like, you hear of women dropping out of their careers. And in my mind, हमेशा ऐसे था कि हाँ, एक certain age पे जाके एक औरत की responsibilities ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं, बच्चे हो जाते हैं, ये वो. But now that I'm at the stage that I am, I realize that women can persevere through that. That is not the toughest part. It's the day you wake up and you tell yourself, I don't feel like myself anymore. Because these hormonal changes hit you in a big way. So for me, the biggest thing was, I am me. I am a cutthroat corporate employee. I have carved my career out of nothing. I've made this. And then one day you wake up and you're second guessing yourself. You're not remembering things. The way you're articulating is not clear enough. And suddenly you start falling behind. And then your self doubt creeps in. And I cannot tell you what a nightmare it is. And no one talks about it. No, like,
Yeah.
no, never in my now. I started working in 2021, 2001. So 25 years of my career, not one woman has ever come up and said, my God, my perimenopause is driving me crazy, or I don't feel like myself anymore, or anything. And again, like, as I was just mentioning, one of my friends, she's just 2 years ahead of me. So she's experiencing everything a little ahead of me. So she's like literally sits me down and says, you start eating protein in the morning. And, like, just the importance of how you have to sort of support your system in just doing that. Because, like you were asking, Anita, I'm going to the gym. I'm eating right. My calories are in control. I'm taking supplements for gut health. And, I'm taking things for my skin, and I'm taking things for my joints, not like medicines, but just supplements that I'm supposed to be taking. So I'm doing everything right. And yet I felt like I was just constantly struggling. So I went to
Yeah.
the gynecologist, I had a chat with her, and she was like, okay, yes, whatever you're telling me, I've done this questionnaire. And now they only rely on questionnaires to establish if you're
Mhm.
perimenopausal or not. So they decide if you're a certain age, if you have a certain list of symptoms. And those symptoms are not just physical, they're also mental symptoms, right? Like, one of the biggest things that they react to is, I just don't feel like myself anymore. Because that's the one thing that you feel when you're perimenopausal. You're like, where did that woman go? Where did that ambitious, smart, cutthroat woman go that I knew? Or, I could take on 50 people in one go, and I could hold my debate. And suddenly you just feel like you're not that. And just connecting it back to what we were talking about earlier, कि 30-40 साल की उम्र में हमारे से जो पिछली generation थी, probably this is what they were going through, right?
Yes.
At our ages.
Yeah.
And this is what was called becoming old, because
Mm.
you were not going through these, hormone therapies, or even having these conversations to be
Yeah.
aware, right? You would just sit down and hold your gode and just say, hi, Mary, मैं तो बस रह गई हूँ अब.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean, it's an interesting journey. But it's a very educational one. I'm hoping my kids can be more enlightened than I was, क्योंकि मैंने तो सब वो तब सीखा है जब आगे ऐसे बजता है ना मुंह पे. Then you're like, हाँ, कुछ सीख लेना चाहिए.
Also, I was reading somewhere that South Asian women get it earlier than our
Yes.
white girlfriends when
Yes,
we are in
exactly.
our
So
40s and they're in their
exactly.
50s.
Yes.
I'm
Oh.
like, and no
Perimenopause
conversation
can go
about
on for like 8 years, 10 years.
Yeah.
It's not
Yes.
like it's just happened, because menopause happens one day. Before you're perimenopausal, the next day you're menopaused. Perimenopause can go
Can
on
go
for
on and
like
on.
years and years.
But I'm so impressed that, and I envy and I'm proud of all those my sisters who go to office in the morning and work till evening and then come home and they have million things to do and they're raising human babies also. And they have a big baby also in their life जो अपनी मामा
Oh,
का लाडला
yes.
जिसको भी पाल रही हैं.
I know.
Oh,
I
so
can't do this.
cute.
मैं तो मुझे अब एहसास होता है half the जब my first half of the day when I'm done with things I have to think of 2 million things कि ओ अच्छा दूध खत्म हो गया है, I need to get dog food, गाड़ी का oil change होना है, ये bill नहीं pay हुआ, like all those things. And by 2 p.m. I'm like, I need to lie down. I need like 20 minutes of doing nothing and
Oh,
just feel that I like connect to myself and feel
Yeah.
myself and like okay हाँ ठीक है मैं ठीक हूँ I'm sane I'm fine. I don't know how you
that is
guys
so
do it.
important.
सुबह से शाम
I
तक
no, I don't know how
office,
Sadav does it.
yeah, and
Yeah.
then everything else as well.
I
Like
don't
I
do it.
want, I say I want that life, but I know
But
deep down inside,
yeah.
I'm okay with not doing a 9 to 5. I want it
Huh.
though,
I
but
don't
maybe
think
I
I'm
don't want
okay
it.
with doing a 9 to 5. I don't think anyone in this world is okay doing a nine to
No.
five. And that's really
Yeah.
interesting because somebody was telling me, कि, like back in the 80s, etc., जब बड़े-बड़े business schools में बच्चे जाते थे, they would all be like, oh, I want to land a job here and I want to land a job there. Nobody's going to business school to land a sexy job anymore.
No.
Probably the only jobs that in their minds are still sexy are consultancy jobs. Otherwise, everyone wants to be self-employed. I mean, ये भी एक बाय द वे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है कि ये जो हमारा आजकल का एजुकेशन सिस्टम है दैट वाज एसेंशियली मेड आफ्टर द वर्ल्ड वॉर्स इन
For
ऑर्डर टू
job.
सपोर्ट द
Yeah.
इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन फॉर द जॉब्स अब हो गया ना मुक गया we're over it
Yeah.
दुनिया बदल गई है अब
Huh, it
तो
hasn't
मुझे
evolved at all.
हाँ हाँ
And also, we as human beings have not evolved enough to be okay with
हाय
9 to 5 jobs, by the way. We are
कसम
not
से
supposed to be doing this.
हाँ no
Hmm.
I agree with you like हम लोग अगर Tyra, this is something that you might actually know a lot more about than I would but sometimes like मुझे ये जो 10,000 steps का concept कहाँ से आया ये फलाना concept कहाँ से आया and everything's like this is just about going back to nature to what your body was
Yeah.
actually made to do because if I sit on my ass all day working there is no way I can complete 10,000 steps a day. सो
No.
मुझे एक बहुत कॉन्शियस एफर्ट करनी पड़ती है 5 बजे के बाद कि अच्छा जी अब चलो वॉक के लिए जाओ बट जो नॉर्मल इंसान था वो चलता फिरता कूदता
वो
फिरता
चलता था
आजाद इंसान था तो उसके 10
नॉर्मल इंसान जापान में काम करते like they can still
हाँ
work go out and still do 20,000 steps
अरे यार वो तो ना ही पूछो मशीनें हैं वो जापानी
'Cause
मशीनें अच्छी चलती है
every day I go out just to do normal stuff. घर आके देखो तो ये 15 it's like 15,000 steps. I was like,
हाँ
what is this? I didn't like opt for this.
हाँ नहीं the lifestyle here is like that but in all
Mm.
honesty like जिस तरह मेरा महीने का होता है एवरेज पाकिस्तान में तो खैर इन ऑल ट्रांसपेरेंसी मेरा मेरे ख्याल में कुछ 4-5 हज़ार स्टेप्स डेली होते थे क्योंकि
Even
यहाँ से
that is a lot, Sadaf.
गाड़ी से दफ्तर में दफ्तर से
Yeah.
दोबारा गाड़ी में और वापस आ जाते थे राइट सो देयर वाज
Yeah.
नथिंग यहाँ पे आई एवरेज अबाउट 11,000 स्टेप्स अ मंथ लाइक एवरेज
Mm.
आउट पर डे लेकिन ये है कि like it's an effort like I have to mindfully say कि अच्छा चलो वॉक करके चली जाती हूँ कॉर्नर स्टोर तक या ये जो कर लेती हूँ otherwise I'm just sitting here this is
Yeah.
not what I was made for
No.
I was made for
No.
swinging on trees
Forager food, go hunting and gathering.
I know right
Now our watch
hunting
tells
skip
us,
कर लेते
please
हैं
खड़े हो जाओ.
gathering कर लेते हैं
बहुत देर हो गई है बैठे हुए. Stand up, go
मैंने अपना
walk.
एंगल चेंज कर दिया मैंने अपने लेफ्ट बट के ऊपर जोर डाल दिया ताकि लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों इक्वली एक्सपैंड
मैं
नहीं
तो पिशी करने चली गई थी so I walked a little 3 steps.
4 स्टेप्स तुमने कर लिया बैठे बैठे
So we were talking about perimenopause, right? Acha,
Yes.
so you have done some research since you've been to, like, you've
Yes,
had a
so
chat with your gynecologist
so
too.
I've had chats with my gynecologist. Obviously, there's multiple options that are available, and while I'm not giving any medical advice, खुदा का वास्ते अपनी उन prudish gynecologist doctors के पास जाना brave करें. But the point is that obviously the options are there's hormone replacement therapy, and that is primarily that I can take estrogen, which comes in multiple forms. So there's patches, and there's, you can take it orally, or you can, there's a tube that you can, rub it on your skin. So wo ho sakta hai. And then obviously there's the option of getting an IUD wire, which, pro, pro, pros, the boy hormone.
Prostrate.
No, not prostrate.
Then,
The hormone. Prostrate is the body. ठहर
wait,
जाओ, मैं साथ में गूगल करती
मैं
हूँ,
भी
मुझे आएगा ये लफ्ज आएगा, ठहर जाओ. कौन कर रहा है गूगल? मैं कर रही हूँ कि तुम कर रही हो? प्रोस्टेज प्रोस
prostogen, progesterone,
यस
right?
दैट
Project.
फिर
Yeah.
बोलते हैं, देखो मैं कहती हूँ कि उर्दू नहीं है, ये अंग्रेजी नहीं है, मेरी नेटिव जबान नहीं बोलने आते मुझे मुश्किल मुश्किल लफ्ज इसमें. तो so obviously that's that, but the first level is just getting estrogen.
Mhm.
And then obviously हर कोई अपनी तरह रिएक्ट करता है. कुछ लोगों को क्रीम ज्यादा सूट करती है, किसी को पैचेस ज्यादा सूट करते हैं. सो इट्स अ जर्नी. इट्स नॉट लाइक अच्छा मुंह में डाली और आपके सारे सिम्टम्स चले गए. It's just something that you have to mindfully take care of. And obviously, I mean, it is what it is. So some friends of mine who've had it are like very happy. Some are saying, koi
Okay.
duniya mein farak nahi padta.
Mhm.
But let's see. There's options. There's options, and people are
Okay.
navigating through them. So it's worth
So
having a thought.
estrogen, yeah. So estrogen, I did a little bit of research when my doctor was like, "नहीं, आपको कुछ भी नहीं है."
आप बच्चे पैदा करेंगे.
So
Like a
I
good
was like,
Asian wife.
like a good Asian wife should do another one. So estrogen, obviously estrogen का जितना मुझे पता था वो ये था कि it's something to do with our reproductive system and
हाँ.
fertility. So I was like, अच्छा, so maybe I have a lot, but obviously it decreases, and that's why we do
Yes.
estrogen therapy.
हाँ.
It also helps in your keeping your bones strong. So a lot of problems that can occur later on जो होते हैं, and there's a lot of it in our
Exactly.
community, osteoporosis.
Yeah.
So that is a big part of it. So that is one thing that
Exactly.
estrogen helps you regulate. So bone health, and there was also cardiovascular, ये भी बहुत problem है.
Yeah.
हमारी
Pata hai,
side
Anita,
पर
the problem is that there's just so much information. Like, for
mm,
example, अभी जब मैं डॉक्टर से मिली थी अपनी, तो she was like कि देखो, read up on it, because there, like there is this whole school of thought that believes, and I don't know for right or wrong, that there is incidence of breast cancer when you have like a lot of. So the thing is that every day this information is evolving and increasing, and obviously, like, if I speak to someone from the older generation, there's nothing like obviously the natural stuff, and anything that you put in your body is extra. So it is something where I feel like inevitably you have to make choices about
mm,
your body. Like, the doctor will only, like, even yahan pe jo doctor hai, she brings you to a point where she gives you all the information there is to take, all the risks there are, all the journey that you will go through, right? Like, abhi the equation with breast cancer has gone drastically down, so they're feeling much better about it. This was like 5-6 years ago. They used to say HRT ke saath, kuch hai, kuch humko sink dikh raha hai and whatnot. Now that's gone down, but what they do is they give you all the information and they allow you to make the best decisions for your body. Because जब आप ये शुरू भी करते हैं तो आपके जिस्म में क्या हो रहा है वो आपको ही पता है. Like, nobody from the outside can tell you कि अच्छा फिर ये होगा, फिर वो होगा, ऐसे होगा. So I think information is fundamentally where this whole thing sits, right? और मेरे तो चैट जीपीटी के ऊपर मैंने एक separate topic project बना दिया which is called perimenopause health, जिसके अंदर all these things about the weight loss or lack thereof, and how to build your muscles, and bone density कैसे, like you were just mentioning, protein, the amount of protein in your
yeah.
body is important. So ये सब चीजें यार, मतलब ये तो कभी हमने सोचा ही नहीं था. बस इंटरेस्टिंगली, बाय द वे, मुझे ऐसे भी लगता है कि बहुत सारी चीजें जो हैं वो कही जाती हैं, but nobody understands the logic of it. Like,
Mm-hmm.
they'll say, अच्छा देखो हर चीज खानी चाहिए in the sense of protein, for example. दाल खाओ, whatever खाओ, जैसे भी. And I mean, I am by no means encouraging you to eat anything that you don't want to eat. But the idea is कि fundamentally कुछ चीजें behaviors आपके सोसाइटी में होते हैं दैट यू नेवर एक्सप्लोर, लाइक यू नेवर क्वेश्चन
Mm.
क्यों भाई. अगर बोल रहा है
Yeah.
कि दाल खाई जाओ, दाल इज सो प्रेवलेंट या चिकन इज प्रेवलेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, सो यू डोंट नेवर क्वेश्चन, बट मे बी
Mm.
यू शुड. बिकॉज हम लोग जो है बहुत, मेरे ख्याल में वी टेक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. इन क्यूरोसिटी तो है ही नहीं हमारे कल्चर में मेरे ख्याल में.
वो encourage भी नहीं करते ना, why तो
हाँ,
फंडामेंटली
जवाब.
क्वेश्चन
एज अ
नहीं करो
हैबिट.
कुछ भी. बट पता है
एग्जैक्टली.
पहले एस्ट्रोजन जो है, आई एम रीडिंग अ बुक ऑन दिस बिकॉज वी टॉक्ड
हाँ
अबाउट दिस, इट्स
हाँ
कॉल्ड द न्यू
एग्जैक्ट.
मेनोपॉज. सो वो उसमें
हाँ
लिखा हुआ है कि एस्ट्रोजन 1933 से मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है और प्रिस्क्राइब हो रहा है औरतों को दुनिया
हाँ
में, ठीक है. लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग
Wow.
थिंग इज इट वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड फर्स्ट फ्रॉम एक्सट्रैक्ट्स obtained फ्रॉम placentas, then
क्यों?
from the
Okay.
urine of pregnant women.
What?
My God. Chalo,
Okay.
thanks. I'm glad we're
Okay.
not in
Yeah,
1930s anymore.
and it was
Yes.
used to as a cure for periods pain and menopause, क्योंकि उस वक्त उनको लगता
हाँ
था कि
Mm-hmm.
जब तक औरतों को periods होते रहते हैं, as long as they're menstruating, then the poison and the toxins are coming out of her body, and then once the bleeding stops, she goes mad. So of course she needs some cure. So then they came up with the cure, like a pregnant woman's urine.
Urine पिला दो. Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
हाँ.
And that
But
helped
I love the
actually.
simplification of it कि भाई नहीं हो सकता कि किसी औरत को कोई थोड़ा मेंटल चैलेंजेस हो रहे हो,
Hmm.
इमोशनल चैलेंजेस हो रहे हो, नहीं हो सकता. बस वो जब
नहीं
उसके
हो
पीरियड्स
सकता.
रुकते हैं तो वो पागल हो
विशी
जाती है.
पिलाओ इसको, जल्दी से
इसको
इसका
विशी पिला
प्रॉब्लम
के.
सॉल्व करो. पर फिर भी the most amazing thing is women have still survived all this. We still outlive
Yes.
the
कसम
male
से.
population, not only human women,
Yeah.
but also other mammalian female
Yes.
outlive their like elephants and lions and
हाँ.
whales. सारी ज्यादा जिंदा जिंदा रहती हैं मेनोपॉज और पेरी मेनोपॉज के बावजूद. और
बर्दाश्त कर करके. Isn't it so,
हाँ,
like I find it so fascinating कि सब कुछ बर्दाश्त करके फिर भी जिंदा है.
डटे रहते हैं हम. So even the
डटे
nature
रहते
has
हैं. हाँ
figured
यार.
out that even after the age of reproduction, we serve a
हाँ.
purpose. Men don't. So nature is like, तुमको
Hmm.
तो निकालो, तुम लोग
हाँ.
यहीं रहो, तुम फिर भी कुछ नर्चरिंग देती हो,
But
ग्रैंड किड सोसाइटी कम्युनिटी.
और काम करो
so
basically.
नहीं,
और
but can I
काम.
tell you something?
मतलब हद होती. Yeah.
I saw my dada far outlive my dadi, right? And they had a love marriage back in the day. So they were both doctors. They was studying medical medicine together. This is pre-partition, and then they fell in love and शादी कर ली. एक पठान, एक लोहारी, और एक supposedly सैयदजादी, और एक जो है वो इस तरह. So it was like one of those, right? So they were really companions to each other through their life and whatnot. And my dadi passed away of cancer in her 70s, and my dada went on to live till his 90s. And he used to like I could sense how incomplete he was.
Yeah.
Whereas I see a lot of women, obviously, who live without their partners, and they're so mission oriented,
They
right? Like
thrive.
they
Hmm.
their families are their
Yeah.
missions, they
Yeah.
everything, right?
Yeah.
Because there's just so much to do. And God, like, God bless his soul, but Agajan used to like really say okay, I really miss your daddy, because she would know what to do right now. Because inevitably, that I think I'm so fascinated by that transition that happens for traditional roles, that at some point you kind of
It
start
shifts.
following the woman's lead, right? Because she
Yeah.
just kind of knows how to keep the brood together, and
Yeah.
she just knows what to do.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is so true though.
Hmm.
मान जाते, अक्ल आ ही जाती है
आ
आखिरकार.
जाती है.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot of women in their 60s and 70s I've seen, like I've seen Annie's mom. Once they are, on their own, they try to figure life out. Like they're like, Acha, should I travel, start working, keep myself busy with some community work? Should I take care of my grandkids? They still have
Mm.
friends.
Yeah.
That's another big deal, that women have social circles, and we make sure that we have friends and that we rely on them. Like female friendships are very important. Male friendships
Yeah.
don't
Mhm.
work that way. Um,
हाँ.
वो ब्रेकिंग बैड वाले जो दो हैं, जो क्या नाम है उनका, दे वर आई वाज लिसनिंग टू देयर इंटरव्यू बिकॉज दे जस्ट स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस. सो ब्रायन उसमें जो होता है, ही इज लाइक, you know, this is the way we men communicate with each other. So we couldn't tell each other, I miss you, I want to hang out with you. Instead we said, oh, let's start a
So we started a
business
business
together. That will give
Yes.
us an excuse to, like, you know, be with each other. So women don't need that
Yeah.
Yeah.
excuse, I think. And we know from all these studies, for a long, happy, healthy life, you have to have deeper, meaningful friendships and connections, and there's no way around it. Anita, I think you're very
Exactly.
sleepy, boo. I'm so sorry. Should we wrap this?
We should. I mean, no,
We
we
can keep
can
talking,
stick around
you
for a
guys.
little bit. We can, yeah. It'd be nice if we can just wrap up.
Okay.
बात शुरू तो करनी हर किसी को आती है, खत्म
बात तो
कौन
करनी
करेगा?
होती है.
खत्म कैसे
No, but
करें?
you have to give us like the book
Oh no,
that
please don't ask me
you.
that.
नहीं, अच्छा रहने दो.
नहीं नहीं,
छोड़ दो.
I
है.
can tell you, and I can tell you a story about it, but a very short one. And the
Okay.
story is, मुझे ना Anita sent me a message saying, just think about your book and your, a movie and a person and this and that. And I swear to you, my first reaction was getting petrified. Like all your insecurities
Oh.
come flushing in, like, there's like, how am I supposed to be? Like, I should have a smart book to share, and I should have a, smart
Yeah.
movie to share, and I should, and अभी हम बात कर रहे थे about her ideas of success and what success looks like and everything. And at the end of it, I was like, you know what? I have to be honest. Like, the only books that I'm reading these days are Enid Blyton books because my girls have started taking to them. And that's literally and I thought it was important to mention this because there's
Of
two
course.
realizations that are coming from them. So we're reading The Magic Faraway Tree and The Enchanted Wood and everything. And one is, it is taking me back to time because I remember कि हमारा 9 बजे रात को सोने का टाइम होता था, आपको बिस्तर में डल जाते थे, लाइट बंद हो जाती थी. अब आपको नींद आई है कि नहीं आई है वो आपका मसला है.
Yeah.
Whatever that 15 minutes, 40 minutes that I was awake at, my imagination, I could visualize all these books that I would have read before 9 o'clock, right? So you could imagine कि एक tree है और उस पे fairies हैं और वो gnomes हैं और उनकी तस्वीर मेरे दिमाग में थी हर वक्त the way. So that film would run in my head. And I was so grateful because that's what we're going through these days. तो हम वो किताबें भी पढ़ रहे हैं, फिर Audible पे भी सुनते हैं, तो like that story is being told to you, so you realize how beautiful it was. But it's also making me realize कि कितने stereotypical roles होते थे. तो वो जो बहनें
Yes,
हैं,
all of
वो
them.
हमेशा अच्छी अच्छी बातें करती हैं.
Yeah.
जो भाई है, उसका spirit of adventure है. तो
Yep.
obviously I'm having a good discourse with the girls saying कि नहीं ये तो फ्रानी भी कर सकती थी, ये तो बेथ भी कर सकती है, जरूरत नहीं थी इसको वेट करने की, उसने ऐसे क्यों किया. So it's interesting, but in all honesty, it's a great sort of experience. Just kind of going back to that. But yeah, that's quite literally the books that I'm reading. I'm revisiting my childhood, but I'm revisiting my childhood with a better mindset. So I'm able to discern of what's right and what's not right. And it's a very interesting conversation to be having with the girls right now.
So
But
my
yeah,
child has not picked up those books.
yeah.
I don't know if your kids are into the Wild Robot series. So we're
No,
reading.
not yet.
So she's reading like. So she's reading. There's a movie as well. Animated
Acha.
movie with the Wild Robot. It's a pretty good one.
Uh-huh.
But the book series is really nice. And it's so different from Enid Blyton types. And I have
Yes.
read Enid Blyton, and I remember, well, not recently, but a while
Yes.
ago, I was like, अच्छा पुराने ज़माने में मैं ये किताबें पढ़ती थी. It was so much fun. But then now we're like, learning about what they stood
Ah,
for, and now then our unlearning has begun. You're
yes,
like,
exactly.
how do we? Yeah.
Like I'm glad that I'm there because I can see on one end they're like it's opening their eyes, right? They're visualizing worlds and possibilities and upside down land and topsy turvy land. And this is my younger one, obviously. The older one's not in that stage anymore. But at the same time, it's like it's coming with this awareness कि क्या कितने stereotypical roles है हर किसी के. लेकिन सिर्फ एक अच्छी बात है कि उसमें वो जो है ना, they have to first help their mother and father and then go out and play. तो मैं उधर ही रुक जाती हूँ. देखो, उनको अभी तक बाहर जाके खेलने की इजाजत नहीं मिली क्योंकि उसने जैक ने अपने अब्बा के साथ आलू लगाने थे. So, we're holding on to whatever works for us and letting go of what is outdated now. But yes, that's what I'm reading these days. And मेरी I think general success criteria for any book is कि मेरे दिमाग में फिल्म चलनी चाहिए, which is why I have shelves full of half-finished self-help books. तो Atomic Habits मैंने नहीं खत्म की. How to
Good.
not give a fuck, whatever मैंने
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
खत्म की अभी तक.
Yeah.
सारी किताबें ली हैं मैंने.
हाँ, वो
4
ठीक है.
चैप्टर के बाद I'm like, भाई ये एक बहुत अच्छा थॉट
Yeah.
है, इसके ऊपर पूरी किताब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
Yeah. I think ये self help वाली जो किताबें ना, they need a mood. So you need some, there's a time for it. So you just pick it up when you're like, अच्छा, let me pick this up and see what it says. There's a podcast that I listen to. क्या नाम है उसका? Mel Robbins. I really like that lady, but she
Exactly.
becomes too much for me too. So then I only
Exactly.
listen to her when I feel like I need, someone to scream at me and be like, yes, you can do it. That's the
अच्छा, मैं
only
तो
time.
टॉपिक्स ढूंढ लेती हूँ कि अच्छा ये वाला सुनने का मुझे शौक है, ये नहीं, बिकॉज हर चीज नहीं आप सुन सकते, बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रीची हो जाता है. Which is why another book that I really love, trash total, but it was called Seven Husbands of Evelyn
Hugo.
Yes, I
I
loved
love
it.
that.
I
Yeah,
loved
I
it.
love all those.
I saw
Yes.
that entire film in my head as I was reading
Yeah.
that book, and I loved it so much.
I'm
But yes,
Googling as
that
they're talking because I have no idea what book is this.
this
Seven
was so it's
Husbands
about
Husbands.
this
of Evelyn
this woman
Hugo.
who was a film star like Elizabeth Taylor type, और उसकी
हाँ.
सारी बचपन के से लेके अभी तक जितने उसके मियाँ थे उसकी कहानी वो अपनी किताब लिख रही है basically, and she's kind of thinking back at it, but it's just so fun to read because the film just runs in your head. You see all those Marilyn Monroes and Elizabeth Taylors and all those different stages and everything. That was one that I really enjoyed. But yes, this is my life. Trash entertaining books
Love
and
it.
kids books. Yes.
Love that. So me and
इस
Anita have
author की
spoken
एक
about
और
it, like how fiction, fantasy helps create new neural pathways,
Yes.
and actually reading dry, like non-fictional literature doesn't really help your brain, like in the long-term way. Yes, you
Yes.
do absorb a lot of information and you
हाँ.
get a perspective of the world and everything, but it doesn't really
Yes.
help long-term. As we are aging, we are scared of like Alzheimer होने वाला है हमें.
हाँ.
भूल जाते हैं
अच्छा, but
हम.
by the way, on that note, now that ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था, but the other book, पता नहीं पाकिस्तान में सलमान रुश्दी की किताबें मिलती हैं या बैंड है. अभी नई किताब आई है called The 11th Hour. It's got nothing to do with religion. It's got nothing to do with anything. I can confirm that gentleman is over that phase of life. He has learned the hard way. But it's short stories and it's a really nice book that
Okay.
that I'm reading right now. And the first story in it is about two old men whose wives have passed away, and they, how they're friends, and so it was like it just came to my mind as we were talking about it. But really nice book again.
My
Nice
favorite
short
book
story.
of all time is his book, and it's called Shame. And it is about
Really, I haven't read that.
it's the emotion that the of feeling shame, but how
Yeah.
he writes like in a fantastical story of real
Oh,
people.
yes.
It's really amazingly written.
Yeah.
मैंने
Yeah.
कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ी इस बंदे की, but I can pick
Yeah.
up this
No, this
recent one
11th
because I
Hour
saw
is
Yeah,
it
new to
somewhere.
short
me.
stories.
Exactly. Exactly. And
Yeah,
it's
short
really
stories
nice.
would be
I'm
okay
reading
for
it
me.
right now, but yeah. That's the thing. मेरे अंदर पेशेंस ही नहीं रहा पूरी लंबी किताबें पढ़ने का, तो या तो वो इस तरह स्टोरी मजे की हो या फिर
Yeah,
शॉर्ट स्टोरीज स्टे, अदरवाइज
yeah.
like
That
दिमाग
girl, by the way, the one who wrote Evelyn Hugo, she has other stuff too, which is also
really
quite.
which is also equally entertaining. Okay,
There's one
I have to
called
look it up.
Daisy Jones and the Six. उसकी movie भी है.
Really?
Because
अच्छा
yeah,
ये मैं पढ़ूंगी. अच्छा, movies, by the way, movies से याद आया, I am absolutely dreading the Wuthering Heights books. I hope they don't ruin that book for me. Like
yeah,
Wuthering Heights is so close to my heart. Like बचपन में,
yes.
you know, like
Is the
uh,
new one like? Is there a new movie coming
yes, so
out? I haven't.
Margot Robbie
Margot Robbie. Oh,
Margot
really?
Robbie and that Elodie, that
Jacob.
Jacob
Jacob.
Elodie. Yes, yes.
Ah,
So
really?
they're playing that,
Ugh,
and khair, everything about it seems perfect. It seems like it's going to be really nice how they've done the set design and everything. But
okay.
I just that book is just so raw and real for me. Like it's one of those books that I really enjoyed reading when I was much younger. That I'm almost fearful of वो इस किताब के साथ क्या करेंगे. बहुत
Hmm.
प्यारे
Yeah.
लगेंगे, but like they're gonna mess that book for me because I never imagined Catherine to be like Margot Robbie. I would
Margot
have
Robbie.
never, exactly. I would have never thought of Catherine Earnshaw as Margot Robbie. So that for
What
in
about
itself,
Jacob?
a
I
little
don't
bit,
think
yes. In my
really.
mind, like, in the book, they like already say, like, I think he's a very tall guy and everything, or maybe they don't. I just imagine him like that. So I
Hmm.
don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
Tall, dark, and handsome. Huh?
Yeah, it is
All.
very intense, right? The book is very intense. And I guess with Margot
I've
Robbie,
read
I
it
have the
long.
Barbie,
Yeah,
Barbie
that's
problem.
true. But she
I know,
does
but a
say these
lot get
weird
lost
things.
also in the movie. Like, the thought process
Yeah,
that you're reading is just not
Yes.
there in the
exactly.
movie. So let's see how
Yeah,
that comes out.
I just feel like books honor your imagination, right? So
Yeah,
you can give
Yeah.
somebody the face that you want and the house that you want and
100%.
Yeah.
everything.
Do you want
Yeah.
to
So,
But
recommend
I
any
told her.
movie that you have seen recently?
yeah, I saw a couple of Indian movies, in fact, that I really liked. So
Sure.
Lapra Ladies was one.
Lapata
Um,
Ladies?
Lapada Ladies, yeah. No, not Lapata.
Ah.
I think it's
Was
Lapada. It's about this
Lapada.
young bride who finds her
It's
way back
called
to
Yes.
Lapata Ladies. I can't believe you're
Lapata.
calling it Lapata. La Pat
Lapata.
La Gumshuda.
No, but it's got a D in it, but it was really nice. Hold
It's
on, let
very
me Google
nice.
it. But anyway, so that was really nice. And just a couple of days ago, I saw Huck also, which is very nice. Like it's also, I think, on Netflix. So that was also very nice. It's again about a woman who's, like fighting for her right to get her.
Hak
Um,
Meher.
exactly. So that was that. But generally speaking, this is not my genre of movies at all. I like heist movies. I like murder
Hmm.
mysteries. So I like movies that kind of force you to, like, that reward you for staying engaged. So, like when you're
Mm.
kind of thinking, अच्छा किसने मारा, ये
Yeah.
होगा, ये वाला होगा, इस तरह करके. So in fact, from that perspective, it's not a movie, but I just saw this other TV series last weekend, Stolen. That was really nice. I think it's on maybe Prime. It's like one of those 6 episode kind of things, and it's really nice. But
Hmm.
yeah, that
Okay.
would be
I
also.
like doomsday type of movie. Like that's my kind of thing. Like I
Hi.
enjoy watching. Like ना खत्म हो रही है दुनिया.
दुनिया खत्म हो रही है लेकिन एक हीरो ने बचा लिया.
Of course. I love those kinds. Or like catastrophes, like the Twister. Twister is one of my favorite movies.
Really? Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
I
I'm like,
love
I
those
wouldn't
kind of
even pick it
movies.
up. I wouldn't even pick it up. But
I've
but
seen it
on
many
that
times.
note, I can see a
Uh-huh.
movie like Pretty Woman 100 million times. Like that was my idea of love when I was growing up. कि बस you just
Yeah.
get rescued. एक हीरो
Wow.
आता है और वो आपको
Yeah.
बचा लेता है.
Hmm.
So not so much anymore, but like still I can watch movies like that anymore. But
Yeah.
at the same time, things like Now You See Me, Thomas Crown Affair, The Italian
Hmm.
Job, things like that. I really like those. I love those. Like where you have to figure out what the hell is happening.
And who's your hero then in real life, though? Do you have any
Oh,
to share with
of
us?
course. And this one is the perfect one to answer. My real life hero is Mrs. Maniza Hashmi, who remains my hero to date. But
Hmm.
obviously, you know she's Faiz Ahmed Faiz and Alice Faiz's daughter, and she was one of my professors back in college. But she somehow stayed so fundamental to my life. एक तो मुझे बहुत सारे हाशमियों ने पढ़ाया है. So Adil
Hmm.
Hashmi, Mira Hashmi, Salima Hashmi, Humair Hashmi. So
Hmm.
there's a lot of Hashmis who've taught me, but
Hmm.
Mrs. Manira Hashmi is very, very important for me because I think, in a way, the person I am, from my academic side of life, she was the one who influenced it the most. So she was the GM of PTV Lahore when she was teaching me mass comm, and she met me, she got to know me, and then not having a career was never an option for her, for me. So, like, she kind of decided for me that I will have a career, that I will be independent.
Hmm.
And she left no room for doubt. So I was very lucky कि मेरे घर में से तो वो reinforcement आ ही रहा था. But at the same time, you know, you're studying in an all girls college, हर किसी की शादियां हो रही है आपके इर्द गिर्द,
Yeah.
you know, वो रिश्ते आ रहे हैं, and that is the life there is.
Hmm.
And I mean, no disrespect, good, whatever that works for whoever, good for them. But I wasn't sure what would work for me. And
Mm.
she almost like guided me to that decision, right? Like she was so, and I'm so grateful that she introduced me to PTV, because eventually I ended up working for Geo and all also. But PTV
Mm-hmm.
is such an institute. Like you
Yeah.
go there and you find like people like, you know, these amazing Mehdi Hasan Saab, and you know, I'm forgetting, I'm completely blanking
Like
on names, but
Mustansar Hussain Tarid, Chacha ji that we
exactly,
grew up
you
with.
would
Yeah.
you would
Uncle
find people like such.
Sargam.
And there was this wonderful writer Shaukat Saab who used to
Yeah.
write, Ali Saab, you know, like these were all such intellects who like existed and thrived within the walls of PTV. So you got to love and respect intellect. And that was so amazing for me, because we were already kind of coming into an age which Pakistan is in now, where money kind of decides what everything is.
Hmm.
But I think fundamentally that exposure told me that
Hmm.
intellect rides above everything. So these people were not like filthy rich people. They weren't businessmen, but they were
Hmm.
just so intelligent that it just told me that I had to make something out of myself. So
Yeah.
I will
Amazing.
eternally be grateful to her.
Yeah. I have the fondest of memories of the place that they had, Faizghar in Model Town, which is not there
Yes.
anymore. And I
Is that
went there,
so?
yeah,
What?
it's just not there. I went there and I was knocking on the door because the gate was never closed. Like it was an open space.
Yeah.
I've taught my first course
Yeah.
there and so many courses I've attended. And I love that. The energy of the place was just amazing. Like it was very
Mhm.
nurturing.
Yeah.
People
Mm-hmm.
coming, teaching, learning, everything. So it's just not there anymore. I'm like, how can this not be Faizghar
Wow.
anymore? So I'm waiting
I'm
to,
sad to hear that.
yeah,
I'm
meet
sad to hear
any
that.
one
Yeah.
of them and say कि क्या किया आपने. But
No,
yeah,
this requires checking out, because that
yeah,
that was her spirit, right? Like she was firm
Yeah.
but so nurturing. You could just go
yeah,
to her, you could talk to her, you could cry to her.
Mm.
Anyway,
yeah, yeah.
And
you
plus,
know, I
that
could go on
place had
talking
so many
about
other
it.
things, like your classes were there, but then they would have
Music
like
was
these
happening, kids theater,
speeches
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
Exactly.
conversations and discussions.
yeah.
Yeah, we should look
I
into
think
it and see what's happening.
festival aa raha hai next month, so I'm gonna go meet
Yes.
them
Mm-hmm.
And
and
if you see her, give a tight hug from me.
I shall do that. Sadaf, thank you so much for doing this with
Thank
Thank you,
us. This
Sadaf.
was
you.
fun,
Yes.
and we should do
I
it
love you
again
guys
and next
so
time.
much. Oh my God.
I
This
Yes,
sounds
promise
we
like
I'll
a
will.
record it,
much needed phone call.
but I
This was
love
good for
you,
my soul.
and you're in my heart, in my mind always, and I'm always proud of you. I'm proud of both of you, and
I love you
I
guys
can't
so
imagine life without you. I love you.
I love
I
you guys
love you
so
too.
much.
And we shall catch you again soon. All right.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
सो
Good
जाओ जाके
night.
सो जा
अब सो
सो
जाओ.
जा